Hey guys, welcome to Raksha's kitchen. Let us see how to make air fryer stuffed mushrooms. Here are the ingredients. I have used button mushrooms in this recipe. Separate the mushroom stems from the caps and keep it aside. Here I have separated all the mushroom stems from the caps. The mushroom stems will be finely chopped and will be used as a filling in the mushroom caps. Now let us see how to chop the mushroom stems. Just cut the mushroom stem in two parts and then slice it. Cut into thin slices. Now cut it into very small pieces. This will be used to make the stuffing, so cut it very fine. Here I have cut all the mushroom stems into fine pieces. Now let us prepare the stuffing. Heat a frying pan and add oil. After oil gets heated, add finely chopped onion and saute. Let onion turn pinkish. Add finely chopped garlic and stir nicely till garlic turns aromatic. Now add finely chopped tomatoes and mix well. After tomato is cooked, add the finely chopped mushroom stems. Mix well. Cover the pan till the mushroom stems are cooked. Open the pan and stir. Now add tomato sauce, green chili sauce. Mix nicely. Add some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper powder and salt and mix nicely. Remove the stuffing from the pan and add it to a bowl. Add some grated cheddar cheese to the stuffing. Now take the mushroom caps and apply butter to them on both the sides. Repeat the same for all the mushroom caps. Now take little bit of stuffing and nicely stuff the mushroom cap with it. Here I have all the mushroom caps stuffed with the prepared stuffing. Now let us prepare the air fryer basket. Apply little butter to the air fryer basket. Now one by one place the stuffed mushroom inside the air fryer basket. Add some cheese on top of the stuffed mushrooms. Now place the air fryer basket inside the air fryer and close it. Air fry for around 8 minutes at 180°C. After the timer beeps, open the air fryer basket. Yummy and delicious air fryer stuffed mushrooms are ready. Garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.